Good morning, girls. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we'll start with the next topic, that is role of central and state level promotional services. There are 17 developmental and financial institutions as the basis of every business or entrepreneurial activity. No entrepreneurship, be it big or small, cannot succeed until the entrepreneur does not have the right amount of capital or funds. Okay, so money is very important, funds are very important in order to survive in the business world. Okay, or for any entrepreneur to do or continue doing the business in a proper way. Scholars have called it the lifeblood of business or entrepreneurship. Marshall clarified the importance of finance by stating that capital is the axis around which the economic world resolves. Okay, so money or funds world resolves around. So you may be aware of the fact that funds or capital in business is also referred to as the lifeblood of business, because just like a human body cannot function without blood, uh, a business cannot function without finances. So is it better now? There was somebody in the office. Applies. An entrepreneur also needs financial support to set up his industry, to encourage more such small industries, various departments, corporations, and institutions such as promotional institutions in Madhya Pradesh from time to time, but with financial support, special industry related training and raw material are provided. So there are various departments or organizations and institutions that have been set up by the government, both the state and the central government, in order to help entrepreneurs, in order to help businesses with various assistances or trainings or financial help or any kind of assistance that they may require. Okay, so depending on what problem or what issues they are facing, the businesses, these institutions offer that particular kind of help to the business. Okay, so so basically these are the four organizations or departments, or set of departments that the government has set up, which provide these kind of promotional and help assistance services. Okay, first is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Okay, we discuss each of these in detail now. So Khadi and Village Industries Commission, then Madhya Pradesh Finance Corporation, then scheduled banks, and Madhya Pradesh Mahila Arthik Vikas Nigam. Okay, so these are the four departments or organizations that we can contact in order to get any kind of business related assistance. Now, uh, we'll start with the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. So, this particular department or commission is was set up to initially save khadi industry. Okay, just khadi industry, because khadi was one of the most valued handicraft or handmade goods in India. Okay, so India, khadi defines India. Okay, but later on a lot of other handicraft and very small industries were also incorporated into this. Village industries and cottage industries has been a strong cornerstone of the economic processes of this country. Hundreds of years ago, on the strength of the product of these cottage and village industries units in the country, not only for their own needs, business, and there used to be industries, but also a big place in export. So, village industries basically comprise of any kind of items that people in villages produce on their own. Okay, any kind of handmade handicraft product. So this commission basically dealt with promoting, helping the businesses to survive, providing assistance, providing people to work with them, providing financial help, providing places to sell. Okay, uh, and the biggest help was to help in export of these products. Before the arrival of the British, our country was ranked more than 10% in exports, which at present the figure have reached less than 1% of the total exports of the world. Even today, if a good attention is given in the field of village industry, a large part of the total industrial product can be obtained from this region. The result of all these occupations and industries was that while they used to complement each other's work, on the other hand, everyone got full employment. The government has established the Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 1956 to develop Khadi and rural industries and reduce rural unemployment. At present, a total of 96 industries are under its jurisdiction. The commission is headquartered in Mumbai and has offices in each state, with the highest officer being the director. Okay, so Khadi and Village Industries Commission is the as I said, is was initially established for helping khadi industry, but later on a lot of other rural industries of cottage industries were also included in its jurisdiction. Okay, each state government also has also constituted Khadi and Village Industries Board. The commission solves the problem of entrepreneurs and cooperatives of rural areas through these circles. This commission receives loans from central government and nationalized banks for the development and expansion of Khadi and Village industries. Assistance is to be provided for marketing and technical assistance. Okay, so the best or the biggest service that they provide is the marketing assistance and the technical assistance to these industries, and basically providing new or latest technology information and helping them procure latest technology, also helping them in giving the employees the required training that they may need for the production or getting involved in the production. Okay, so that more and more employment can be generated. Now, the sole purpose with which government is promoting entrepreneurship and businesses is to create employment, as a lot of youth, a lot of population of our country is facing the problem of unemployment. So the biggest need that industrialization is serving is the need for employment. Can be created in the rural areas, and the main task to be done by Khadi Gram Udyog of maximum village industries are as follows. So what we'll see, the basic assistances or services that they provide. The first is assistance and consultation. Development of small entrepreneurs by the commission. They are provided with technical and financial assistance. For the expansion of the commission, loans are provided. Loans are provided by the central government and nationalized banks through the boards located in the states, and commission aims to solve the problem of small entrepreneurs in the field and make necessary suggestions to them. So basically consultation services that may relate to marketing consultation or technical assistances or marketing assistances. All these consultation services are provided by the Khadi Gram Udyog. Next is training programs. In order to bring quality in the work of workers and inspectors, 10 departmental training centers and 16 institutional training centers are operated by the institute. Okay, so providing training in the country, they have set up these departments or these training centers in which any industry, any firm from the industries that are included in the Khadi and Village Gram Udyog Commission can avail training services for themselves as well as for their employees. Okay, next we come to marketing program. Commission is taking products produced by small scale industries to market across the country. It has been the leading role for the commission. For this, 10 Khadi Gram Udyog Bhavans, 14,113 Khadi warehouse sales depots, and several cooperative societies and institutions have been established by the commission. In India, in addition, the commission is supporting 140 moving vehicles and marketing programs through exhibitions and fairs. So, as part of the marketing assistance, a lot of Khadi Gram Udyog Bhavans and Khadi warehouses have been established throughout the country. Okay, we have one in Jabalpur as well, the Khadi Bhandar. I think it's in Fuara somewhere. So almost every district, if not every city, has one of these Khadi Bhandars. Okay, so they can be seen as an outlet for Khadi products. So the major product that they are offering or selling is Khadi, but along with Khadi, they also offer products like handmade products, the edible items like achar, badi, papad, etc. Even handicrafts for decorations, etc. All these can be found in the Khadi Bhandar. Okay, they are outlets just like any other branded outlet. These are outlets which can be which you can visit in order to support any of these industries. Okay, then moving vehicles. At least once every year, government sets up these exhibitions or fairs in various parts of the country, in which these industries that are included, as we saw, 96 industries are included here in Khadi and Village Commission. So they are offered this service to advertise and sell their products in these exhibitions. Okay, so I've reconnected the audio, it will be better now. Then next is research. The commission is carrying out research to develop quality, differentiate, use alternative and local resources of energy, and develop labor saving tools and equipment. So Khadi Village and Gram Udyog are also having a research cell where they try to solve the problems of quality maintenance, like when labor intensive technique is used for production. Obviously if manually we are producing each and every unit, there will be differences in the quality. Okay, some may turn out of a better quality and some may not. Okay, so because a machine can be consistent exactly as we program it to be, but a human cannot be programmed. There may be slight differences, slight errors, okay, from product to product. So maintaining quality, then differentiating the products, alternative use of local resources is also very important. Again, voice is breaking. Is it better now? Is it better now?
यस मैम, पर मैम अब ब्रेक हो ही रही है वॉइस.
आई थिंक नेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी मे बी. बार बार नेट भी डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है. चलो ट्राई टू वर्क विथ मी. ओके, इफ़ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग तो फिर से बोल देना, तो आई रिपीट इट. ओके, सो रिसर्च के बारे में वी वर टॉकिंग. सो they are trying to find alternative uses for local resources and alternative ways of utilizing energy, okay, or sources of energy. Then other work includes extending and providing advice to the problems of small entrepreneurs. Okay, extending or providing advices, any kind of advice. It may be advice related to let's say financial usage or planning of the finance, okay, or budgeting, or maybe production. Okay, then to approve new schemes sent by Khadi Village Industries Board and other institutions of the state. So new schemes are also launched from time to time. These schemes offer various benefits to the industries that are included in its jurisdiction. Okay, so these schemes provide benefits for and keep up the competition going in the industry. Then to give the responsibility of designing new attractive designs. Now when we talk about research and these design institutions like the NID, National Institute of Design, so this institution is responsible for any kind of development, any kind of innovations that may come out based on designs. Okay, design means it may be design in textiles, designs in handicraft, designs in decoration, interior design. Okay, so like the latest trend or latest innovation in khadi has been digital printing on khadi fabric. Okay, so earlier khadi fabric was not preferred as much because it was always plain in probably one color, or there may be stripes or streaks of different alternative color on the fabric, so it did not look as attractive. But now with innovations, with new trials and research, they are trying to produce digital printing on khadi fabric. Okay, so these kind of things are also promoted through Khadi and Village Udyog Commission. To give the responsibility of designing new attractive designs to the National Institute of Design, then to organize fashion shows to increase the popularity of khadi clothing. Okay, so whatever things are designed are also offered a fashion show where the producers, the designers can portray or showcase their fabrics and textiles. Okay, then schemes. What are the schemes that have been launched under the Khadi and Village Udyog Commission? First is State Government Family Unit Establishment Scheme. So family oriented unit establishment scheme of the government is being operated by the view to provide advanced tools and equipment to the SC/ST backward class small entrepreneurs, artisans of the state. 90% of the capital loan or a maximum of now this here you can see that I have not mentioned any amount here, right? This is because the money or the amount that is offered as assistance always keeps on changing. So it's better not to mention an amount. Okay, then a grant of 13,500 is given, and the remaining 10% of capital loans and working capital are arranged through banks. So usually no bank or new financial institution, no government department will ever give you 100% finance or 100% funding for your business. Okay, if you apply for a lakh of rupees, they will only provide 90, 95, even 98% of it. But that remaining 2% or 5% or 10% has to be contributed by the owner, by the entrepreneur himself. Okay. Then margin amount scheme. What is margin amount? Margin amount or margin money is the money that is invested as part of the owner's contribution. Okay, like if I borrow money from the bank, I will have to keep some kind of collateral property or some kind of valuables against which they will offer me money. So that collateral also can be considered as margin money. Or in case of entrepreneurs, they usually invest some part of the capital. Like here 90% and 10% was the breakup. Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Mumbai, is running margin money schemes through the bank. Its main features are as follows. Now, these are the services that are offered under this scheme. Okay, so we will not study in too much detail, but you should know what are the benefits that are offered under each of the scheme. Okay, so nature of finance assistance under the scheme, individual beneficiaries will get rupees 1 lakh. Financial assistance, now this also keeps on changing usually. Okay, but overall it has been 1 lakh since a few years. Financial assistance is given as per the prescribed pattern in case of in case of rupees 1 lakh cases or more than 1 lakh will be sanctioned on the project basis. Okay, then individual beneficiaries get loans up to rupees 10 lakhs and up to rupees 25 lakhs in institutional cases are approved on the basis of the project. Okay, so some projects that are smaller in nature get finances up to 1 lakh, and some organizations that are institutional based, okay, or better projects that are approved can get from 10 to 25 lakhs as well. Then pattern of 10% of the project cost will be charged by the beneficiary organization itself. So just that like I explained, margin money, some part of the capital has to be contributed by the owner, okay. Then general beneficiary, in cases of up to 10 lakhs, 25% margin money loan is given by the board free of interest, okay. So 25% of this 10 lakh will be given free of cost. Then eligible for 10% margin money interest free in institutional cases of more than 10 lakhs. So if it is 10 lakhs or below 10 lakhs, 25% margin money loan is given free of cost, that is, there is no interest on that amount. And if it is more than 10 lakh, if the requirement of capital is more than 10 lakh, then only 10% margin money is offered, that is interest free. Then SC/ST and backward classes and women, in cases of up to 10 lakh, 30% margin money will be given, okay. So for reserved categories, if the business is up to 10 lakh, 30% margin money is given, and in case of more than 10 lakh, only 10% is started, okay. The margin money will be converted into grant for successful operation of the rural industry unit and payment of interest and installment for 2 years as an exporter. Then what is the eligibility? Eligibility for getting the benefits under this scheme are: under the various beneficial schemes of the board, all entrepreneurs who wish to set up industries in rural area, whose population is less than 10,000. So if you are setting up your industry in an area or a village whose population is less than 10,000 and who can set up units come under the purview of Khadi Village Industries, then individuals wishing to avail the benefits of the above mentioned scheme of the board can contact the manager of village industries, okay. So basically benefits are provided on the basis of the functioning or the establishment of the unit, okay. So we'll stop here, and tomorrow we'll continue with the not tomorrow, day after tomorrow we'll continue with the MP Financial Corporation, okay. Please read through whatever we have studied today, make notes, and if there are any questions you can ask me, okay.